Hi, in this video I'll show you how to install WordPress. First, let me explain a little bit about the cPanel, which is the interface here on the Siteground. You will have the marketplace, referrals, billing, services, websites, and home on the navigation menu. On the marketplace, it's basically about getting a domain name. Different extensions have different prices. So far, the most expensive is around $35 and goes to .blog, which is a new extension, compared to the $25 or about the $26 for .academy, about $18 for .agency, and about $16 for .com. Now, if you want to take a look here on the services, you will be able to upgrade your plan and manage it, edit the plan details. And if you want to install WordPress, you need to go to websites, and here you can create a new website. If you're on a Grow Big plan, you can create as many websites as you want. Now you can register and purchase a new domain over here. If you have already a domain name purchased outside Siteground, you click here. But for me, I will select a temporary domain for just the training purposes. And this is a generator, a randomly generated name. And it's the same exact steps with any other selection. For example, if you want to select here the new domain, it's going to be the same. You just have to decide on a new domain, same with the existing domain, and the same with the temporary domain, the same steps, I mean. Okay, so now you have start a new website. Yes, I would like to start a new website. Once you select that, you will be prompted with choosing an application. Now, we are going to create an e-store. For e-store, I recommend that we download WordPress with the WooCommerce. But if you download only WordPress, it's no problem at all. So you select, for example, here WordPress and WooCommerce, or WordPress alone, and then you have your username and password. Okay, make sure that your password is correct, and then you can continue, and it will take about 2 minutes to download WordPress. If it takes longer, please be patient with it. And this is it. This is how you install WordPress. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.